What's up everybody, how you guys doing? Today we are going to be talking about the cheapest cryptocurrencies which are currently available on the cryptocurrency market, and we are going to be talking about cryptocurrencies such as Ontology, Elastos, Ravencoin. Boy, that Ravencoin has been doing tremendously well. I hope none of you guys got burnt because it's apparently going down. So yeah, I go by the name of Muna, that's M-U-N-A, and welcome to the Beyond 10x Cryptocurrency YouTube channel, where we get to talk about a whole lot of money making opportunities. I know a lot of people really love money. And by the way, before we go on, please kindly smash the like button because it really means a whole lot to me and it really helps the videos on my YouTube channel get a little bit of recognition. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications because you just want to be part of this YouTube channel, because we are about to have some good times together. Yeah, am I doing too much? Anyway, without further ado, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrency assets is extremely risky. And let's talk about Ontology ONT. The current price of Ontology is about $1.75. Its current market cap is about 370 million US dollars. Its previous all-time high was as high as about $10.08. According to my own personal analysis, I really think that Ontology has got a 5x potential when or if it goes back to its all-time high. So it's just a matter of time. Whenever we are going to have the next bull run, we are obviously going to smash well over 10 US dollars. This is an amazing chart. As you guys can see, there was a huge pump like right over here. The price really did extremely well, and of course the price of Ontology wouldn't go above this price area right over here. This is where the resistance was. After that, everybody knows what really happened to the price. It just kept on decreasing in value. These lines over here really show the major support lines that Ontology has had in the past. So we have one at around 2,617 Satoshi. Then we also have another one right around 2,501 Satoshi. Then the lowest support line that I noticed was at around 1,716 Satoshi right over here. So as you can see right now, we are really getting closer to the 2,622 support level, which I'm personally looking forward to. As you can see right now, if we move over to the 4-hourly chart, we can see that there's a clear support line right over here, and it depends on what's really going to happen to the cryptocurrency market. In case we have like very bad news, we might easily see the price of Ontology go right down to this previous support line right over here. This is where I'm actually placing a little bit of buy orders, like right around this area between 2,626 and 2,508. Of course, we have a higher likelihood of going up in value, but hey, you might never know what might happen to the cryptocurrency market, and it's always very important to always practice patience and always wait for the price to be as extremely cheap as possible. But according to the RSI right over here, it seems that we have gained a little bit of base right over here, and we might see an upward momentum, but that's highly unlikely because, you know, the cryptocurrency market right now is very unstable. So I'm really thinking that we are eventually going to drop down. According to the fib levels, we are way below the 23.6 fib level, which is very good. And of course, if you guys are looking forward to like selling Ontology in case we have like an upward momentum, you can always do it at the 38.2% level or the 61.8 level. But you know, for me, I'm just going to be very aggressive with all my trades. I'm going to be taking profits whenever we cross the 10% profit area. Like whenever we get 10% in profits, I'm definitely going to be selling. Getting back to today's notes, these are the buy zones that you guys should definitely take advantage of, and these are the different zones that you guys should obviously dollar cost average. And depending on what the market is going to do, then we are definitely going to look back at this trade and we are definitely going to be able to adjust our buy areas in case the price goes way below 17,000 Satoshi or 0.00017 BTC. Besides that, I really think Ontology is a very great cryptocurrency project, and in the near future they are going to be allowing people to earn a little bit of passive income, just like the way Neo and Gas works. So it's a very good idea easier to you know, get yourselves a little bit of ontology. And of course, this is not really financial advice, and yeah, you guys better do your own due diligence. So let's move over to the next cryptocurrency that I have on my presentation. So let me just enlarge that. So we are also going to be looking at Elastos, ELA. So the current price of Elastos is about $6.15, and the current market cap is about 56 million US dollars. Its all-time high was about $93, and its all-time high market cap was about 311 million US dollars. Its all-time low price was about $6.03. Let me switch over to the 1-day chart, and as you can see right over here, we had very huge sell-offs like right around this area. Like on the 17th of October, the price drastically started falling because there was a major sell-off, because there was a little bit of FUD, there was a little bit of uncertainty. But it doesn't really matter, because right now it seems we are having some major support, like right around here at around 0.00092 Satoshi. We are definitely going to see another decrease in price, because if I'm not mistaken, on the 14th of November, Elastos is going to be released. The people who had their Elastos tokens locked, they are definitely going to be given back their Elastos tokens, and they are obviously going to be selling, and I really think that there's a high likelihood of the price of Elastos to drastically drop even further at around 4th November. And by the way, today's the 29th of October, so you guys better definitely look out for the price of Elastos like in the next coming 2 weeks, because it's going to be very, very important, because a lot of people are going to have access to their Elastos tokens, and they are most likely going to sell. Getting back to the presentation, these are the different buy zones that I have for you guys. Unfortunately, there isn't anything that we can talk about when it comes to Elastos. We are definitely going to look forward to the 4th of November. Last but not the least, we are going to look at Ravencoin RVN. This cryptocurrency has been getting a whole lot of attention, and a lot of people have been investing. It's been pumping like crazy. So let's just go back to CoinMarketCap, and let's look for the Ravencoin. RVN has been doing extremely well, and I wouldn't advise anybody to invest in RVN right now, because there's going to be a huge correction, because this thing has been pumping during a bearish market, and the most logical thing to happen to the price of RVN is obviously a correction. So guys, please do not buy high. That's going to be crazy on your part. So as you can see right over here, this is the current price of Ravencoin. It's about $0.04, and its current market cap is about 115. Well, if we look at this, it's about 102. Its all-time high market cap was around 136 million US dollars. Its all-time low was at around $0.013 as well. So as you can see, I really encourage a whole lot of people to just relax, just chill when it comes to trading Ravencoin. But of course, if you guys happen to be very good traders, then you should definitely look at Ravencoin, because apparently it has got a whole lot of you know, volatility. But if you guys don't really have a whole lot of time looking at the charts, I really encourage you to stay away from Ravencoin. Let it first of all correct, let it have some huge corrections, then you might consider buying Ravencoin, because when it goes down, it's really going to take a long time for it to you know, go back up, and you don't really want to be that guy who's going to be holding on, who's going to be bag holding by the end of the day. But according to the RSI here on TradingView, it seems we are having a little bit of support right over here according to the 4-hourly chart. So let's look at the 1-day chart as well. So as you can see right now, everything according to all the signs right over here, we are definitely going to go down. We are definitely going to go down, and I really think it's going to go like right around here and there as well, as you can see respectively. So anything that is going to be between 404 to about 263 Satoshi, I think you're really going to be extremely safe. I'm just going to be very, very patient. I'm going to be looking at the price of Ravencoin and its future performance. But for me, this is the the safest price point to get in at when it comes to the price of Ravencoin, because eventually the hype is going to die. Eventually a lot of people are really going to get burnt. A lot of people are going to end up bag hoarding. That's about it for today. If you guys really liked the video, then like the video, and if you've got any other questions, if you've got any other suggestions, all you have to do is drop everything in the comment section below. So I guess I'm going to be seeing you a little bit later, hopefully tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. You know how it is, everybody's busy, man. Talk to you guys a little bit later.
Said she wanna rock with a nigga like me. I'm a stylish guy. Spend a little guap with a nigga like me. We can catch a fly. Said she wanna rock with a nigga like me.